Hey guys, John here with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today I just wanted to show you a really quick example of blasting with crushed bottle glass and what it would actually do to a cast steel piece here. This is a piece off of a drilling machine, so it's a heavy part, but it is steel and it's cast. So really, if you're roughing up the surface for a painting operation, which is what would be done here in this particular instance, crushed bottle glass is a very cost-effective media for doing that, and I just wanted to show you a really quick example of how you could do that. So it is very inexpensive, and it's very easy actually. You just need high pressure, 100 to 120 psi, and you definitely want to put a rust inhibitor in the machine because you're going to get flash rusting back on the part. The longer it sits, of course, the worse it's going to get, but you can see what it would do to this particular piece and how quick that would be. And this was done in the VH1000. You guys don't get to see many videos of that, but this is the VH1000 cabinet. It's stainless steel. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.